Hey loves, it's Jess aka Designer Mama, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing my dream bag that I picked up from Chanel. If you guys want to see what bag I picked up, then stay tuned. Hey loves, if you're new to my channel, my name is Jess aka Designer Mom, and here on my channel we cover all things designer, from contemporary all the way up to luxury, with a touch of lifestyle and fashion. So if that sounds like you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When I tell you I am so excited to be doing this unboxing, I think out of all the bags I've ever purchased in my entire life, I've never been so excited for this bag. I literally had butterflies. Like, don't get me wrong, I get excited every time I go shopping. Like, I really do love purses. It's like my passion. I love bags. But this bag was just different. I remember wanting it since I was younger. Chanel has always been one of those brands that I loved and admired from afar, but it was definitely way out of my price range, okay? And I just always remember telling myself, like, one day you will get that bag. And it's the exact bag down to the size that I've always wanted. They were so kind in the Chanel store, and I actually went to the Chanel store in the Neiman Marcus. When I tell you, it was the best service I've ever received. I've shopped at other Chanel boutiques, but that one was just amazing. So I just want to give them a shout out. All right, guys, let's hurry up and open up the bag because I'm rambling on. Now, we're not going to talk about price, okay? Because we already know Chanel's a little out there, okay, with their prices. I definitely saved for this bag. And this was a bag that, once you see it, you'll know. If you want this bag and you ever walk into a boutique and they have it, you have to snatch it because it's not always available. Oh my god. All right, let's open it. It has the black. Guys, I got the classic double flap in the size medium with gold hardware, and it's in caviar leather. I specifically wanted this bag. I did not want lambskin. I was okay with the size small, but the medium size was definitely my dream bag with the gold hardware. Like I said, since I was a little girl. By the way, guys, ignore my scratch. My daughter scratched me early, and I know it's like in the video saying like hello, but let's just, disregard it. So I'm gonna open it up. Now, in the customer service, this is actually my first bag from Chanel, so I don't know if they always do this when you buy a bag, but the sales associate took such great care of me in the store, and she took her time. When I tell you, she explained everything while she was packing it up, and this was brand new. I walked into the store because I actually called online trying to search for a small, because I was just like, you know what, I saved up for this bag. I really want it. Medium is always sold out every time I go to the boutique, so maybe I'm just gonna settle for a small. And I was ready to settle for the small, and I called Chanel, their customer service. It shows that it's available at this store location. If you want to go check it out, we're not sure if it's still available, but it shows, and it was a size small. So I walked in to the store expecting to hopefully get the small, and she told me, hey, we actually have the small and the medium. And she said it's crazy because it literally just came in, so they just had it in stock. So she was like, this has to be meant to be, because I actually went into that particular store already looking for the Chanel. So she knew that I've been looking for this bag. So I was just like, you know what? She said, hey, we have both, try them on. And I left with the medium. And like I said, she took her time explaining to me how to care for this bag. This bag was expensive, and I'll definitely do plan on taking very good care of it. Oh my god, I still cannot believe that it's mine. She's just so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh, don't she look good on me? Like, oh my god. Like, and for me, I am small. I'm on the smaller side. It works out perfect for me for like crossbody because I'm so short. It honestly hits me like right here, and I don't mind it. It's kind of high. Now, if you're a little taller than me, it might be kind of uncomfortable. But for me, like if I had to throw it crossbody, it's perfect. It doesn't bother me. And the small was beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, like when I saw both of them on my body, I kind of was like stuck for a second. I was like, I don't know which one I want. But she did share with me, she said, look, both of them work perfect for your frame. But she said, I'm telling you, in my honest opinion, she said, if you get the small, you're gonna leave, you're gonna use it. And she said, you're going to wish that you had a little bit more space the more you use it. So she said with the medium, it's a perfect size. She said you put those sunglasses in there. You're going to appreciate having more room rather than having less room. So she said if you can only leave today with one, and she said we have both in stock, which is rare. She said I highly recommend the medium, and I'm so glad she did. Maybe in the future I'll go back and get the small, but I'm so happy with my decision. They didn't rush me into buying anything. Like I said, she took her sweet time. I must have spent like over an hour in that store, and I was just so pleased with the customer service, the attention. She sat down with me, told me how to care for the bag, how to properly pack it up. It was such a beautiful experience, and I'm so happy that this bag is mine. Like I said, guys, this was my dream bag since I was younger. I knew one day it would be mine, but this just feels so real. But if I'm being honest, when I couldn't find the bag in stores, I did try the pre-loved market looking online. And honestly, the price between the pre-loved market and getting it out the boutique was not significantly enough for me to say, okay, I'm gonna buy it pre-loved. Like, I honestly saw it for probably like a few $100s shy of what I would pay in retail, in the retail store. So I was like, absolutely not. I'd rather just spend the extra few $100s, and then it comes with 5-year warranty if anything happens. I was like, no. And they weren't in brand new condition either. So they were all like maybe excellent condition or good condition. So I was like, no, this is my dream bag. I saved up for it. I even sold off some bags for it to put towards my savings for it. And I was like, no, we're going to do it right. This is my dream bag. If you love bags, I feel like you're someone who would get it. This will be definitely something you have to have in your collection. I'm such at a loss for words. Like, you guys don't know how much having this bag means to me. Like, it symbolizes so much hard work to get to where I'm at now in my career. And I realized that I'm fortunate enough to be able to save up for a bag like this, because this was the most expensive bag I've ever purchased. Every time I look at it, it would symbolize to me all my hard work, my achievements, how far I've come from that little girl that used to love and wish for all these Chanel bags, and to finally be able to have one in my collection and say that, hey, I worked hard for this. This wasn't gifted to me. I purchased this with my hard-earned money, and it just means a lot to me to have. And I don't plan on ever selling this bag. I do have a daughter, and I do plan on purchasing more Chanel bags, and I would love in the future, of course, if my daughter's into bags, or if I have more daughters in the future, I would love to gift them vintage Chanel bags. Like, I wish my mother was into a Chanel bag. Let me know all your thoughts in the comments below. Do you guys have this bag? How do you feel about Chanel? What do you guys think I'm crazy? Let me know. I don't know. I really do love this bag though. And like I said, I had literally butterflies. Like, even my sales associate was like, you are lighting up. Like, I can't even express to you like how happy I was inside. Like, the feel, I've never felt that happy making a purchase for bags. So I just knew that it was the right decision. Alright guys, but that's it for today's video. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.